God, I'm not even in my bed. I must have fallen asleep on the land. Ugh. It's a beautiful day. I'm gonna go get some food. Let's see what I have. Have some waffles, some beef. I don't want beef in the morning. Ew. Do I have anything else? It says food, and there's not food in here. I'm gonna have to have a waffle. Oops. Okay, I'll get one waffle for me, one waffle for Jazz. She's my next door neighbor. We're best friends. Okay. 1 and 2. Done. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to her house. Okay. Oops, I left my door open. Nom 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 nom. Jasmine's house. Knock knock. Jazzy home? Jazz. Well, I know she's home, but
Oh, hi.
Hi. Come in. Come on. Okay. What are we gonna do inside?
Oh, thanks, yeah.
Do you wanna watch some TV? Sure.
Oh, yay.
Oops, I accidentally gave you my waffle.
Oh, it's fine. I don't really care.
You broke your carpet.
Yeah, I know. Sit down.
Oops, I broke your carpet. Sorry. Hey, do you wanna come to the beach?
Sure, I'll come soon.
Okay, I'll go get my stuff. Whee! Oos, oos. Oos, oos, ah. Where's my beach stuff again? Oh yeah, upstairs. I love my room. It's so pretty. I'm gonna break it so I get all my stuff out. Wait, what's in it again? Yeah, that's enough. Okay, I'm gonna break it so I don't have to get it all and put it in my inventory. It'll just drop into my inventory. I don't really think I need all this, but I'll just use it. I'm gonna get something out of my hand so I have a free hand. Ooh, look at it. Okay. I'll put this white carpet that I stole from Jasmine's house in here. I think I should return it. Not right now, because she's out the front, I think. Okay, let's go. Yep, she's out the front. Hey, Jazz.
Are you ready yet? Come on, let's go.
Why did you say, are you ready there? I'm right here.
Yeah, I was staying there for like an hour.
No, it wasn't. I was just getting my stuff already.
Ooh, I was standing there for a couple of minutes. Well, kind of.
Ooh, is there any juice? We'll check later. Actually, I want to relax.
Okay, I'll too.
So not. Why are my eyes closed? Ah! Oh, phew. Done. Now they're open.
Okay. Maybe we should go swimming.
I'm
going swimming.
Ooh, that's something.
Oh, I forgot something.
Okay, I'll go over to the water.
Okay.
Ooh, I want to go in that pond tomorrow. Oh, why is there holes everywhere? It's so annoying. This beach is so annoying, but it is pretty nice. Jasmine's mum died near here. I put a sign there when she was little. I'll show you. See? It's really sad. She died by a shark. We don't really swim there, but she does sometimes just to remember her mum. I'm gonna go for a big swim. This can be our swim spot. Oops. Swim. There we go. Oh, swim here. Let's go for a dive. Hope she knows where I am. Wow, I was under there for a really long time. Wow. Don't know how I did that. I'm hungry. I love cooked chicken. My friend likes fish better, but I want to build a sand castle. Not here, not here, not here. Ugh. My friend probably put a potion on for me not to build.
Friend, I need you.
Oh, she can't hear me. Oh, she put it back. Yay. Oh my god. Why do I keep doing things like this? I keep putting it in the wrong spot. Okay. When's friend gonna be here? I miss her. If I wanted to build a sandcastle with her, but I guess I'm gonna start. And when I start, I don't give her a chance to help me. Oh, hey!
Hi, can I build a sandcastle with you?
I was actually gonna ask, but no, because I've already started it.
No. Well, I'm gonna go get a juice. Actually, never mind. I'm gonna go first one.
Okay.
Off.
Okay. There's a swim spot over there. Here's some water. Just need to build my sand castle.
Okay.
Need to get some more. Da-dee-dum. Oh, how long will this take? Literally. Maybe I do need friends help, but she's underwater, so... Oh, you're right there.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Almost done. Wait. Where did he go? Friend?
I'm behind you.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Where's your cat?
She's inside at home, like I would ever bring her to the beach.
Yeah, cats hate water.
I know.
Don't step on my sand castle.
Okay,
It's getting late. Maybe we should go home.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
You run so fast. I'm tired of running. Slow down.
Racer!
Please, come back.
No, fine.
Okay, it's
I just
really late.
love running because I'm a little cat. Meow. I'm gonna eat some food.
Me too.
Here you go.
Thanks.
I'll eat this. This is my favorite food.
I really like cooked chicken, but I'll eat this just for once.
Yeah, it's steak and it's really good for ya. Mind? Hurry up. I'm running for ya.
You wanna sleep at my house?
Sure.
Wait for me. You have to walk on the pathways.
No, I don't.
Ugh. That's why I made the path. We made the pathways. I wish Ariel was online.
Yeah, just not hard.
Ooh, let's watch some TV.
Yeah, okay.
Can you change the channel?
Sure.
Actually, never mind. I'm going to bed. I'm really tired.
Okay. I'm just gonna grab some food.
Okay.
Great.
Oh, morning. Let's get up. Let's go to the beach now. So,
Okay. Sun.
Okay, I just need to check my emails.
Why do you always have to check your email?
Yeah, I'll check. Let's go.
Okay. I'm going to beat you.
I'm gonna beat you, actually.
What, Grandma?
Let's check if Ari is home.
Okay.
She wasn't home yesterday. I don't know why she's not here.
You know, you can't just open a random store like that. Well, it's not really random, but anyways.
Yeah, I can't really do that, can I? Oh, it's dirty everywhere.
You don't need to always clean it.
It doesn't look nice if it's not clean.
So, I'm having a picnic.
Yum, yum, yum.
Hi, I want to eat some.
I really want to check if the juices are here. What? They're not? Man, you're stupid, Rob. You're really stupid. Can't you make drinks or... Oh my god, just swimming. Hey, wait!
Now I'm going swimming.
Wait for me. We have to...
Ooh, pond. Can I swim in here?
Sure, let's swim.
Okay. I'm gonna get straight in. Whee!
Friends! Oh no, she's drowning. What do I do? What do I do? I'm gonna put a couch down right there. I'm gonna get some ladders. I'll use my magic to put the lounge down. 3, 2, 1. Pew! Done. I can only use my magic if I'm really scared. Gonna put a ladder. Let's see if she can swim up herself. There and there. Friend, come on! Oh, she's going up. Why is there a chair down there? Ah! Help! Friend!
Friend! I'm kidding! Oops, it's in the face. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Well, I'm going in the ocean.
Then why are you heading towards home?
I kind of feel like fishing.
No, don't go fishing.
I'm gonna go fishing. Bye!
Well, I'm having a picnic.
Soon.
Why do you walk over the table all the time?
Bye!
Oh, I hate her fishing. I hate fish. They're gross. I like cooked chicken. Yum.
Fish are the best!
Fish are the worst.
Best!
Fish are weak. Wait, no. Chicken strong, like King Kong. Fish is weak. Chuck it in the tree. In the creek. I said tree, not creek.
It's girls are strong, like King Kong. Boys are weak. Chicken in the creek.
Well, boys aren't really weak. Is this a good fishing place?
Yeah.
Then why are you walking away?
Because it's not there's a fishing place.
You just said it was.
It's a very cute one.
Hey, don't hit it!
I didn't mean to. It's so cute.
I know. What's you and falling into holes?
I didn't know I was here. What's with you and falling into holes?
Is this a good fishing shop over here?
Sure.
I keep saying fishing shop. It's fishing.
You mean I'm the fishing girl?
Oh, look. Will you get anything?
I know. Might swim in and get one. This is taking forever.
Yeah, it is taking forever.
I'm gonna go swimming in to get
Why do you have
this.
that?
Because I'm gonna get them for good.
Okay. Okay, can you come out now? I'm just gonna build something.
I got some fish.
You did?
Uh-huh. It's really yummy. Want to try some? I already ate it.
I hate fish anyway.
Well, we could have had it for dinner, but I already ate it because it's so good.
Hey, look what I'm building.
Me. Bye.
Please.
Oh, fine. I'll come back in a minute. Oh, fine. I'll come back. What are you even doing?
Wasting all these blocks. So I have
Okay,
a free
bye.
hand.
I'm going to beat you.
Can't you just walk?
Nee.
Well, I'm speeding up too then. Happy ya! Let's go to my house to watch some TV.
Okay.
Then we can go to your house and watch some TV. Because your TV has the same channel, but still. Hey, do you want to have a dance party in my house?
Sure.
Just
I
after
love
we watch a few things.
Okay. Ooh, let's watch The Chair.
Maybe after we have a dance party.
Let's just change it. I can't change it.
I'll do it then. Ugh, how long does it take you to change it?
I don't know where the remote is. This is my house.
It's not your house.
I said this isn't my house.
Oh.
I want to watch The
Let's
Chair.
dance!
Okay, fine. Dun, dun, This is fun. Let's do some dance moves. What can I think of?
Yeah, what can I think of? What about this? Boom, 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 boom.
Nice singing.
Why are you just standing there? Can't you just
I'm
dance?
taking on the dance move, okay?
Okay,
Why are you staring at the carpet?
sorry. I like how they dance. Do you?
Yeah, but it's a pig, a chicken, and a cow.
I think it's a lamb.
Should I do this?
Yeah, that looks good.
Thanks. I don't really know my dance moves.
Yeah, you don't, do you? Can you quit staring at me?
Okay. But I'm still staring.
Whee! Come on, show me your dance moves already. Whee! Hey, let's watch the chair thing in a minute. Just one more dance moves. That's not it. Oh, there. Reality is not what it appears to be. The chair is cake.
The chair is cake.
Question everything you see. The cube
Is cake.
is cake.
Yummy, I want to eat it.
Me too.
Can you get some cake delivered, please?
I don't think so. I have enough.
What is even the thing?
I don't know. Is cake?
It looks like fire. Who knows?
That begs the question: what lies inside the cake itself? Cake. 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 Ooh, world. If I'm getting up, this is boring.
Oh, fine. I'll come too. Let's go to my house.
Okay. Do you want to watch some TV at your house?
Sure.
Because your couch is comfier. Even though they're the same, yours is way comfier. Actually, I just might put something in the oven. Oh yeah, I can't put cooked chicken in the microwave. I'm so silly, aren't I?
Yeah, then it would get sports.
Yeah, that.
I mean, girls. Let's watch it.
Woo!